Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Daily English Dialogues. I am your host, Anna.
And I am Mark. Hello, everyone. It is great to see you again.
We are so happy you are here to learn English with us today. Today, we have a very special and important topic.
That is right, Anna. Today we are going to talk about phrasal verbs.
Ooh, phrasal verbs. I know that many students find these difficult.
Yes, they can be tricky, but they are very important if you want to understand real English conversation. Native speakers use them all the time.
Exactly. So, Mark, before we start with our list, can you explain to our listeners what is a phrasal verb?
Of course, a phrasal verb is a phrase that combines a verb with a preposition or an adverb. When you put these two words together, they create a completely new meaning.
Can you give us a simple example?
Sure, let's look at the verb to look. Usually, to look means to see something with your eyes. But if I say look for, the meaning changes.
Look for means to search for something, right? Like, I am looking for my keys.
Exactly. The word look and the word for together mean to search. That is a phrasal verb.
That is a great explanation. So today we are going to have a natural conversation and we will use many common phrasal verbs. We will stop and explain them as we go. Are you ready, Mark?
I am ready. Let's dive in.
Let's start with the morning routine. Mark, tell me about your morning today.
Well, my alarm clock rang at 6 a.m., but I did not want to wake up.
Ah, our first phrasal verb, wake up.
Yes, wake up means to stop sleeping. Your eyes open. You are no longer asleep. So I woke up at 6 a.m.
But did you get up right away?
No, I did not. That is the difference. Wake up is when you stop sleeping. Get up is when you physically leave your bed and stand up.
That is an important difference. I often wake up at 7, but I don't get up until 7:15. I like to stay in bed for a few minutes.
Me too. So finally, I got up, I went to the kitchen, and I turned on the coffee maker.
Turn on. This is very useful for technology and machines.
Yes, to turn on means to start a machine. You can turn on the TV, turn on the lights, or turn on the computer.
And the opposite is turn off.
Right. When I finished making coffee, I turned off the machine.
Okay, so you had your coffee. What happened next?
Well, I opened the fridge to get some milk, but I realized we had run out of milk.
Oh no, run out of. This is a longer one. It has 3 words. What does it mean?
To run out of something means you have used all of it. There's nothing left.
So if I drink all the water in the bottle, I have run out of water.
Correct. Or if you drive your car and use all the petrol, you run out of gas. It's a frustrating situation.
So you ran out of milk. Did you drink black coffee?
Yes, I had to. It was very strong. After breakfast, I needed to get dressed. I had to decide what to put on.
Put on. This is about clothing, right?
Yes, to put on means to place clothes on your body. I put on my shirt, I put on my pants, I put on my shoes.
And what is the opposite, Mark, when you come home at night?
The opposite is take off. When I go to sleep, I take off my clothes.
Simple enough. Put on, take off.
Exactly. So I put on my jacket because it was cold outside, and I left the house to go to work.
Okay, let's talk about your commute. How do you get to work?
Usually I take the bus, so I walked to the bus stop and waited. When the bus arrived, I got on.
Get on. We use this for big vehicles, right?
Yes, this is a very common mistake for beginners. We say get on the bus, get on the train, or get on the plane.
Because you can walk inside them.
Exactly. If there's space to walk, you get on. But for small vehicles like cars or taxis, we say get in.
So I got in the taxi, but I got on the bus.
Perfect. So I got on the bus. It was very crowded. I looked for a seat, but there were no empty seats.
That is annoying.
It is. I listened to some music to calm down.
Calm down. That's a nice one.
Yes, to calm down means to relax. If you are angry or stressed, you need to calm down.
I tell my dog to calm down when he barks too much.
That works. Eventually, the bus arrived at my stop and I got off.
So the opposite of get on is get off.
Yes, you get off the bus, you get off the train, but for a car, you get out.
English is crazy sometimes.
I know. Let's review that quickly. Bus, train, plane, get on and get off. Car, taxi, get in and get out.
Got it. Okay, so you're at work now.
Yes, I arrived at the office. The first thing I did was log in to my computer.
Log in. We use this for computers and websites.
Yes, to log in means to enter your username and password to access a system. The opposite is log out.
I always forget my passwords when I try to log in.
Me too. I have to write them down. So I logged in and checked my email. I had a message from my boss. He wanted to call off the meeting.
Call off, does that mean to start the meeting?
No, it means to cancel. To call off means to decide that an event will not happen.
Oh, wow, so the game was called off because of rain.
Exactly. My boss was sick, so he called off the meeting. I was happy because I had more time to work.
That is lucky. So what did you do instead?
I had a lot of paperwork to fill out.
Fill out.
Yes, to fill out means to complete a form or a document. You write your name, address, and information.
Like when you go to the doctor or the bank, you have to fill out forms.
Correct. Sometimes you'll hear fill in as well. They're very similar. Fill out a form or fill in the blanks.
Okay, so you filled out your paperwork. Did you have any problems at work?
A little bit. I was looking for a file, but I couldn't find it. I had to look into the problem.
Look into. That sounds like a detective.
It is similar. To look into means to investigate, to try to find the facts or the truth about something.
The police are looking into the crime.
Yes, or my computer is broken, I need to look into why it isn't working.
Did you solve the problem?
Yes, I figured it out.
Figure it out. I love this phrasal verb. I use it every day.
Me too. To figure out means to solve a problem or to understand something after thinking about it.
Like, I can't figure out how to use this new phone.
Or we need to figure out a way to save money. It implies using your brain to find a solution.
So you figured it out. Good job, Mark.
Thanks. By then, it was lunchtime. I was very hungry.
Did you bring food from home or did you eat out?
Ah, good one. Eat out. This means to go to a restaurant to eat rather than eating at home.
I love to eat out on weekends.
Yesterday, I decided to eat out. I met my friend, Steve. We wanted to catch up.
Catch up. This has a few meanings, but what does it mean with a friend?
When you haven't seen a friend for a long time, you don't know what is happening in their life. To catch up means to talk and exchange the latest news.
Let's grab coffee and catch up.
Exactly. So Steve and I caught up. He told me he wants to give up smoking.
Give up. This is a strong one.
Yes, give up means to quit or to stop doing something, usually something that is a habit.
I want to give up eating sugar.
Or if something is too difficult, you might say, I can't do this. I give up.
Don't give up on learning English, everyone.
Never give up. Keep practicing.
So Steve wants to give up smoking. That is good.
Yes, he also told me he wants to work out more.
Work out. This means exercise?
Yes, to work out means to do physical exercise, to go to the gym, to run, to lift weights.
I work out 3 times a week.
Steve wants to get healthy. I told him to keep on trying.
Keep on. This means to continue?
Yes, to keep on doing something means to continue doing it. Don't stop. Keep on going.
The baby kept on crying.
Exactly. Even though I was tired, I kept on working.
Okay, let's talk about communication. We use phrasal verbs a lot with phones.
Oh, yes. While I was at lunch, my phone rang. It was my mother. I had to pick up.
Pick up. This means to answer the phone.
Right. Please pick up the phone.
And the opposite?
Hang up. To hang up means to end the call.
In the old days, phones were on a wall, so you actually had to hang them up.
That is true. Now we just press a button, but we still say hang up.
Did you talk to your mother for a long time?
No, I was busy. I told her, Mom, I can't talk right now. Can I call you back?
Call back.
This means to return a phone call later.
That is polite. I will call you back in 5 minutes.
Yes, but sometimes the connection is bad. I couldn't hear her very well. I said, "Mom, you're breaking up."
Break up. This is tricky. It has two common meanings.
On the phone, breaking up means the sound is cutting in and out. The connection is bad.
But what about relationships?
Ah, yes. If a boyfriend and girlfriend stop dating, we say they broke up. Sarah and John broke up last week.
That is sad. But on the phone, it just means bad signal.
Correct. So I hung up and promised to call back later.
Let's move to the afternoon. Did you go shopping?
Yes, actually. I needed to buy a new shirt for a wedding, so I went to the store to try it on.
Try on. We used put on earlier. How is this different?
Good question. Put on is just the action of dressing. Try on is an experiment. You put the clothes on to see if they fit or if they look good. You usually try on clothes in a store before you buy them.
Can I try this dress on?
Exactly. I tried on a blue shirt, but it was too small.
Did you take it back?
Well, I didn't buy it. I put it back on the shelf. But take back is a good phrase. It means to return something to the store.
I bought these shoes, but they hurt my feet. I need to take them back.
Right. So I looked for another size. Eventually, I found the perfect shirt. I went to the cashier to pay for it.
While you were shopping, did you bump into anyone?
Bump into. That is a fun one. It doesn't mean you physically hit them, right?
Not usually. To bump into someone means to meet someone you know by accident. You didn't plan to meet them.
I bumped into my old teacher at the supermarket.
Yes, I actually bumped into my neighbor. We chatted for a minute, but I had to hurry up.
Hurry up. This means to move faster, to do something quickly. Hurry up, we're late.
Why did you have to hurry up?
Because I needed to pick up my daughter from school.
Wait, Mark, you said pick up means to answer the phone.
Yes, I did. Phrasal verbs often have more than one meaning. This is why they're tricky.
So what does pick up mean here?
To pick up a person means to go to a place, get them, and bring them with you, usually in a car.
I need to pick up the kids from soccer practice.
Or, can you pick me up at the airport?
And the opposite is drop off.
Yes, to drop off means to take someone to a place and leave them there. I dropped my kids off at school.
Okay, so you hurried up to pick up your daughter.
Yes, she was waiting for me. She was excited because she wants to sign up for a dance class.
Sign up.
To sign up means to register or to join a course or activity. You usually have to write your name on a list.
I want to sign up for English lessons.
Exactly. So I told her we would look into it.
Well, Mark, we have covered so many phrasal verbs today. Let's do a few more that are very useful for general conversation.
Okay, how about look forward to?
I use this in almost every email I write.
To look forward to something means to be excited about something that is going to happen in the future.
I look forward to my vacation next week.
I look forward to seeing you again.
It is a very positive phrase.
Here's another one. Bring up.
To bring up, like carrying something up the stairs?
No, not physically. In conversation, to bring up a topic means to start talking about it, to mention it.
Don't bring up politics at dinner. It causes arguments.
Exactly. Or, I want to bring up a new idea at the meeting.
That is a good one. What about carry on?
Carry on is similar to keep on. It means to continue.
Sorry for interrupting. Please carry on.
Yes, continue speaking or continue doing what you were doing.
Here is a common one for students. Look up.
We had look for and look forward to. What is look up? To look up usually means to search for specific information, like a word in a dictionary.
I don't know this word. I will look it up.
Or I need to look up the train schedule.
So, Mark, what do you do when you are in a hotel?
First, I check in.
Check in.
To check in means to arrive and register at a hotel or an airport. I checked in at the front desk.
And when you leave?
You check out. We need to check out by 11 a.m.
And if you want to see something interesting?
We also use check out to mean look at this or investigate.
Hey, check out that cool car.
Check out this new website. It means take a look at it.
Okay, Mark, we have a long list. I think we should do a little review game for our listeners.
That sounds fun. How does it work?
I will say a normal sentence without a phrasal verb. You have to change the sentence using a phrasal verb we talked about today.
Okay, I'm ready. Test me.
Number 1, please extinguish the light before you sleep.
Extinguish. That's too formal. I would say, please turn off the light.
Correct. Number 2, I need to continue working until 5 p.m.
Continue. I would say, I need to keep on working, or I need to carry on working.
Excellent. Number 3, my car has no more gas.
Bad luck. I would say, my car ran out of gas.
Perfect. Number 4, I am searching for my glasses.
Searching for. That is, I'm looking for my glasses.
Number 5, please answer the phone.
Please pick up the phone.
Number 6, the meeting was canceled.
The meeting was called off.
Number 7, I really respect and admire my grandfather. Oh, wait, we didn't teach this one.
Ooh, a bonus word. To respect and admire someone, we say look up to.
Look up to. That is beautiful. I look up to my mother.
It means you view them as a role model. You want to be like them.
Okay, last one. Number 8, I need to return this book to the library.
To return, I would say, I need to give this book back, or take it back.
Give back. We didn't mention that one, but it's easy. To return something to its owner.
Yes, if you borrow money, you must give it back.
Wow, Mark, we learned so many words today.
We did. Let's list the most important ones again quickly. Just the verbs. Wake up, get up, turn on/turn off, run out of, put on/take off, get in/get out, cars, get on/get off, buses, look for, look after, look forward to, give up, work out, pick up, call back, break up, figure out.
That is a lot of vocabulary. Listeners, do not worry if you don't remember all of them right away.
That is right. The best way to learn phrasal verbs is to listen to them in context. Watch movies, listen to podcasts like this one, and try to notice them.
And don't be afraid to use them. Even if you make a mistake, people will understand you.
Absolutely. Learning a language takes time. You just need to keep on trying.
See what you did there?
I used a phrasal verb.
Before we go, Mark, do you have any homework for our listeners?
Yes. I want you to choose 3 phrasal verbs from this episode. Write 3 sentences about your own life using these verbs in the comments section below.
That is a great idea. For example, tell us what time you woke up today, or tell us something you are looking forward to.
We will read your comments and help you if you make a mistake.
Also, if you enjoyed this dialogue, please give us a thumbs up. Wait, is that a phrasal verb?
Not really, but it is a good phrase. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.
And hit the bell icon so you know when we put out a new video.
Put out means to publish or release. There's another one. They're everywhere.
They really are. Okay, friends, thank you so much for listening to Daily English Dialogues.
Thank you for being here. We look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.
Have a wonderful day. Bye.
Goodbye.